Good evening, my followers. Good evening. In fact, it has not been easy because we just lost Brazilian, in fact, the most popular, legend Pele. He just passed away out of cancer. This man, he has been struggling. He has been struggling with cancer. He has been struggling with cancer from one hospital to another. In fact, he couldn't find any solution to his sickness. Just Sunday morning, 4:30 a.m. 4:30 a.m. at Albert Einstein Hospital. He just passed on. Just not long ago. Word Pele, he's a legend. Nobody in this world has ever played like this man. Nobody has ever played like legend Pele in history as far as football is concerned. Even not long ago, and then the family visited him, they were having fans together, but due to his condition, he's not fit. He wasn't fit. So later did we know that he was just saying goodbye to everybody. The whole world. We lost this man. We lost this man in football history. Word Pele is a legend. Though he's a bit, aged or grown or matured at the age of 82. It's not a small journey, but due to the cancer that he was struggling with, that couldn't make him survive. The cancer couldn't allow him to survive. In fact, it is something. It is something. Oh, it is something. I can't even stop crying because we lost a legend forever. What Pele in football history. It is not easy. It is not easy because this is the man that the young one, the youth, supposed to look up to. They should go to him to learn certain skills, go for advice and all that. But today, later did we know that this man, world legend, is a world legend in football fraternity. Nobody has ever played like him. Nobody, even though we have Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, that everybody has been mentioning their name, but none of them can be compared to him. None, as far as football is concerned. But anyway, I'm crying, but I want to plead with everybody to take heart. And then my condolences to the family. Have my condolence. Everybody just take heart. God knows best what we don't know. God knows best. I believe it is his time. Though the world love him, Brazil love him, we love him, but maybe this is how it should be. So in everything, though it is not easy, but in everything we give thanks to God. In everything we thank God. That Brazil what Pele this world it is well. Let's take heart. God knows best. I believe he will have a resting place in the Lord's bosom. And once again, my condolence to the entire family. Take heart. God knows what we don't know.